Concerned by continuous rise in prices of pulses both at the retail and wholesale markets, the central government has adopted multi-pronged strategy to deal with the crisis, which includes further imports and distributing chana dal at subsidized prices. In order to ensure availability of pulses at reasonable prices, it has been decided to start selling chana dal at 60 rupees per kg through its mobile outlets in Delhi. A meeting chaired by Secretary of Consumer Affairs was held in the national capital, during which import and procurement of pulses for buffer stock and allocation to the states for further distribution was reviewed. The meeting decided to further tender import of 5,000 metric tons of chana and 2,500 metric tons of masoor dal. The meeting also approved allocations of pulses at cheaper rates to 8 states. Government is already taking many steps at its level to contain prices of pulses, and now the private sector has also pitched in and formulated a policy with the government to import pulses. With increased import of pulses and hopes of a good agricultural production this year, it is expected that prices of pulses will give relief to consumers.
ये हमारा दुर्भाग्य था कि 2 साल से जो मानसून फेलियर हुआ है उसकी वजह से हमारे यहाँ उत्पादन में बहुत बड़ी कमी आई है और उसकी वजह से कुछ दालों के दाम बढ़े हैं, लेकिन हमने उसके अल्टरनेटिव सोर्स जो हैं वो भी हमने उनको निकाला है और उसका बहुत बड़ी मात्रा में अभी आयात हो रहा है। मैं आपके माध्यम से ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि सितंबर से लेकर दिसंबर के बीच में हमारे एसोसिएशन के जो मेंबर्स हैं वो लगभग 30 से 35 लाख टन दालों का इंपोर्ट करने का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर चुके हैं, जिसमें मुख्य दालें होगी सफ़ेद मटर, लाल मसूर, चना, तुअर और अन्य जो दालें जो उड़द वगैरह जो दालें हैं।
Government has already enhanced buffer stocks of pulses, took action against hoarders in some parts and provided pulses to states at cheaper rates. With all this and much more efforts being made by the government to ensure increased production of pulses and less dependency on imports, respite from the escalating prices of pulses is expected in the near future. With Ajay Mishra, Shailendra Mishra's report, DD News.